All right, so negative exponents. Negative exponents work this way. You have a fraction, and that fraction has a numerator and a denominator. And a power, a variable to a power, is always fine as long as it's a positive power. When you have a variable to a negative power, that is telling you that it's in the wrong part of the fraction. So when I have something set up like this, r squared. Okay, if I have something similar to this, for example, then what I'd have to do is I go through and I look at each variable. S squared is fine. R cubed, though, or r to the negative third, is in the wrong spot. That r cubed should be in the denominator of the fraction. Now I go to the bottom and I see an s cubed, s to the negative third. That negative third tells me that that should be moved to the top of the fraction. And r squared, because it's a positive exponent, is fine. What you want is you want to move variables top or bottom. You just flip from top to bottom or bottom to top if they are negative. Then you go ahead and reduce like you normally would. This is 16 over 4. We'll reduce that in a minute. S squared and s to the third is s to the fifth. And the bottom's r to the third, r to the second. That's r to the fifth. So again, anytime you have a negative exponent, a to the negative fourth, say, over b, then this will become a to the fourth. The negative exponent goes down into the bottom, and any positive exponents stay where they're at. We just flip. We can flip from bottom to top or whatever we need to. So let's say we have c to the negative 2, but it's in the denominator. It just comes up as c squared. So you just change the sign of the power and put it to the opposite part of the fraction.